Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to make Windows 11 faster. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from a laptop or desktop, I just want to make my Windows 11 faster. Simple and easiest trick I just want to share with you. Just go to start menu and just go to settings option. Once you click a settings option, settings will have a different types of options over here. So as you see, my laptop is very slow. What I have to do here? So just in your right hand side, there will be accessibility will be there. Just hit the button of accessibility. There will be a visual effects will be there. So just hit the button of visual effects. There will be a animations effects will be there. So this animations effect will be made our laptop or desktop little slow. So make this one sure about this one should be switched off, so that your animations will be off, so that your laptop or desktop will be faster than before. This is 200% works for me. It is easy to have access. So once I close again and open, and I'll show you the settings options will be faster than before. So this is what I just see. This is what within a second entire things will be there. So the pop-up and the animations, everything will be stopped, so that it will be easy to access. So go to accessibility, visual effects, and off your animations effects means it will be faster than before. 200% it will work. Please try and give a comment in your comment box. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.